Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Day 2, I guess you could call it.
Yeah, with time change.
Yeah, I think everybody's up. It's only like 7:40 in the morning, and the pool is packed. I think they forgot to set their clocks
And
back.
so are the buffet lines. It's very, very busy already.
Yeah. But anyway, seas were angry last night, so a lot of people got sick.
Not us.
Not us.
No way.
Nope. I stayed in the casino till 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm up. That's a good thing. Makes her happy.
Yes, yes.
And it's their money too. So anyway, but
Having a good time.
yep. So today's a sea day. Anyway, like I said, tomorrow's another sea day.
Yes, I love sea days.
And then Tuesday we'll be in Aruba. We love Aruba. And other than that, we don't have anything really in store. The ice carving thing's gonna
We're
come
going
up.
to relax and just enjoy the day.
We're just gonna chill out. And she'll be laying in the sun, and while the shade's here, I'll lay here. But as soon as the sun comes up, I'm out.
Yeah.
So anyway, talk to y'all later. Have a great day. I'm gonna go give you an omelet. Bye.
Maybe, let's figure it out. Is a swan! I still remember. It is 1, 2, and 3. 3 winners. Then guess what is it? So I'm gonna give you a prize, guys.
Get a load at how fast it's melting. Wait in line, folks. The aft pool. Right out there is Cuba. Can't really see it in the video, but tip of Cuba. All right, just up from the buffet area, which is right down there. Come up these stairs, and you'll come to Cucini del Capitano. All right, so when you come here to the pasta restaurant for lunch, you pick what you want. And then they make it special for you. Now at night, it's $18 to eat in here, but it's a sit down, they serve you dinner. Oh, we got some bread to start with. I'm gonna pass on that, but Terry will eat it. And then I got a Caesar salad to start with. Yummy. All right, Terry got the spaghetti. Good. Yeah. And then I got the spaghetti as well, but with cheese on top. And I got mushrooms and onions in it. Babe, that was an excellent lunch.
Delicious.
So now, because we only have 11 hours until they shut down the ice cream, we're going to go ahead and get some ice cream right now. We're going to do it right now. We don't want to miss it. And then it gets in the way of the hot chocolate. All right, there she goes. She's getting hers. Yeah, baby. Oh, she got ice cream. I got to get yogurt. Yogurt's over there. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, she just got a small one. Beer and yogurt. Yummy.
Good dessert. That's it?
But you already know what I'm going to complain about. The strawberry and the chocolate. And here we go again. Rain. Just for a minute. Don't look too bad up there. Not running up off. 3 minutes later, the sun's back out. Oh, what a rough day.
Oh yes. Oh look, someone's brought an outfit back full of stuff. Look at this. All right. Okay. We have all. DJ OJ, what have we got for them? Music make you lose control. Yes!
Got us a bear after a great day at the pool. Gonna get ready for watch the football game. The Bucks and the LA Rams, who are gonna lose, hopefully.
Oh, this thing must be dying.
And yeah, that thing is a cool bear. We still got our dog. Yeah, he's still over here. Yeah, by Wednesday or so, they'll be drinking beer and stuff. They get out of control. All right, here we are with Roy Jones.
Karen Jones, and they're celebrating their 30th wedding.
Anyway, they're big fans of. Heck yeah.
Party of Two Cruises.
Yeah, Party 2 Cruises. That really worked out well, didn't it? Well, so am I. But anyway, thanks for joining. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Oh, yeah, we have, trust me. And we like it.
And the notification bell.
Yes, we have that too.
And
All
happy
right.
anniversary.
Hope you have a great.
Thank you so much.
And they're getting to do back-to-backs. That's not fair.
No,
Not fair at all.
It's
30 years worth it.
That's
Yeah,
right.
they earned it.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you so much. Thank you
got
so
it.
much.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Roy and Karen.
Yeah, I finally got to meet you guys. I've been wanting to meet somebody we watch every time. I want to meet those guys. I want to meet those guys. I want to meet those guys. So we got one off the list.
Yep,
Thank
there
you,
you go.
Roy.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, all the time.
All righty. Thank you.
Bye.
We're watching a little football here at the bar. All right. So anyway, we halftime at the Bucks game, and we left there because it was horrible
Well, because it was dinner time.
and horrible.
And it's Ellicott night, so we got all dressed up to go to dinner. Look at Patrick. He's all dressed up.
What is she doing to me? Weirdo, stop.
It's dinner time, and it's Ellicott night, and we had a great day, and now we're going to have a great dinner.
We are.
I'm getting filet mignon.
I'm getting one of everything,
One of everything. No.
but only two
entrees.
entrees because
entrees.
they'll charge you $5 for
He
the
don't have
full one.
$5. He does not
I know.
have $5.
It's downstairs.
He's spending at the casino.
Anyway, and I never get 3 appetizers. I mean 3. What's wrong with me? 3 entrees anyway. So we got to go. There's going to be a beating in progress.
What?
We'll talk to you a little bit later. Your mother's being mean to me, Brandy. Help me, Brandy. I love chicken Alfredo as her first appetizer. I'm gonna help her eat that. And then I got the clam chowder.
I'm going to help him eat that.
Yeah, but no, she's not. I'm not sharing.
I don't want it.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, I don't even get to start on my soup, but my stuffed mushrooms came. And my crab cake. Terry's still on that fettuccine. And Terry's second appetizer. Salad with French dressing. Okay, we have a mystery. We don't know who ordered this shrimp cocktail, but I'll eat it, no problem. A lot of empty plates. Such a pig. Terry got the filet mignon with the green beans and the mashed taters. And I got the teriyaki salmon. All
See
right.
how this is.
All right, let's see how it is. Perfect.
Very good.
Perfect.
Very good.
Are you happy, love?
Very, very happy.
Very happy. Happy wife, happy life. Right after that big long dance, Terry got key lime mousse. And I got, you already knew it, banana split. Maybe I'll switch it up tomorrow night.
Take me home, country roads, all my way.
A lot of plays for the Titans defense. 22 in all, and Patrick Mahomes is third in inches. Just a couple of yards.
Back here by the back bar tonight. Pizza. The pool. All right. Today was a relaxing day. We're out by the pool.
Long day.
Watched football. Watched the Bucks win an
Yay.
exciting last-minute drive.
Yeah, go Tom.
Yeah. And then, what else did we do? Oh, we went to the, she gambled her free money.
I did. I lost. I got
No, she's got $10 left.
Yeah.
Don't ask me.
We went out by the pool, watched Tennessee play the Kansas City Chiefs.
Right. And then people saw us, as you saw in the video. People recognized us today.
Yes.
Said they couldn't wait to meet us.
Then what
And
about,
we met them in the casino.
it was their anniversary.
Yeah, it was their 30th anniversary. Happy anniversary again, Roy and wife Karen. I forgot.
Yeah. But
Anyway.
we came back here to do our hot chocolate, and I wanted to get some cookies.
No cookies.
Couldn't find cookies, so I got this instead. It's really a lot, but I was a little bit hungry. Well, not really. I just wanted it.
Wasn't hungry. How could you
So
be
then we
hungry?
got that, and
And
now we got a hot chocolate.
Chocolate because
Ooh, it's so good.
hot chocolate is good. All right, tomorrow, another sea day. So we'll be out by the pool, I'm sure, all day tomorrow too.
Hope so.
All right, so we'll see you then.
Good night.
Good night.